the mortgage market continues to change, sometimes for the better and sometimes more challenging. And if you bought a home in 2006, your experience today, the process and the requirements for documentation is vastly different. And so, I think you can kind of walk people through a little bit about what they should expect, when they come in, as far as what documentation we're going to be wanting to receive from them in order to make sure that we've got all the pre-qualification done.
Yeah, great point, T. And we do try to make it a little bit easier than what it should be. Mm-hmm. So typically what we do when we get somebody in the office and after we've taken a mortgage application, we're going to send you out with a checklist. We also, GMFS offers an online borrower portal, which is really neat because we can also email or text out that list of information that allows a client to just upload those documents to their borrower portal, which also allows them to track the process daily, weekly of where that loan is, whether it's when the appraisal comes in, when the appraisal's ordered, when the title comes in, once we submit it to underwriting, and then the real estate agent involved in that transaction can also follow along with that process. But after we load them up in that borrower portal, if they have come in, we'll go ahead and send them, out with a hard copy of a list of, your last 2 paycheck stubs, 30 days worth of pay stubs, your last 2 years W-2s from 2000, your 14 or 15, 16 W-2s, excuse me. And some cases we might need tax returns for the last 2 years, but, we've even seen that in the last 12 months kind of loosen up where we don't have to have tax returns on every file, which has been nice. And then we also don't have to pull tax transcripts on every file like we had to, over the last 4 or 5 years, which has also shown a sign of things loosening up a little bit.